are going to love the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, compass, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, tachometer, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, steering wheel controls. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.